Everything on your plate is not important, so stop acting like it is. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're treating every task like it's urgent, you're sabotaging your own success. The truth is, not everything deserves your attention. Great leaders know how to prioritize what truly moves the needle and let go of the rest. Stop trying to do it all. Focus on what matters most and execute with excellence. Your time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste it on things that don't drive impact. If you're ready to master prioritization and lead with clarity, follow me on YouTube and Instagram and message me if you're serious about transforming your focus and maximizing your leadership. As always, I'm Mick Hunt, and doggone it, I approve this message.